What's going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thiftonfire. This video is going to be part of the garage sale season series. I went out this morning, hit about 8 garage sales. There weren't really a lot, to be honest. I'm already back. It's about quarter to 10. So, I think I left around 7:30. Not a lot. I'm going to share what I know at the beginning of these videos. I'm supposed to hype you up about what I found, and it's going to be a great video. The stuff that I found is okay, but the stuff I'm going to show you that I got from a different place after is much, much better. I'm still going to show you, both. I'm also going to give you right now just a little bit of a shed update. I'm going to show you what I did over top both of these lofts. All right, so I used some of this foam board. I think it's called ISO board or something. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, let me know down in the comments. I don't think it says on it what it's called, but yeah, so I used that to basically do some insulation on the back wall here. And then as we pan around, I also did the back wall over here. And you can see I still haven't done anything with the roof. I think I'm going to actually put pine boards up to that point and then start the acoustic panels in this section going all the way back to the far end. And I don't know, I'm not sure how far I'll get today, but I'm going to do that for a few hours. And then probably the video you're watching, I'll probably go on this afternoon and edit this video. But for now, let's get into the yard sale clips or garage sale clips. And then I'll show you what else I picked up this week. So apparently I had my camera in fast forward mode. I paid $2 for this Coca-Cola bottle opener. I'm gonna try to get $8 to $10 in the antique booth. All these disc golf discs. Okay, so the two main ones are Discraft and Innova. I don't really know much about them. The Discraft one could be worth good money. I'm gonna have to do some more research. But I paid $15 for all these. I really like the tin signs. They're about $10 a piece, but they're all new. So I just left them behind. Morning. Oh, I don't know if I've ever seen this. Keurig can make coffee, like an entire pot of coffee.
Yeah, you can do a pot or just
an individual,
yeah.
eh?
They just put your filter and that in there.
Oh, it's interesting.
Pretty handy if you want a quick make it.
Yeah.
12 pot, yeah.
Huh. I didn't even know they made those.
Yeah.
What do you want for that?
Any price on there?
I don't know. I don't think so. There's on this one. I don't see anything in there.
$20 too much?
No.
No?
Yeah, that seems okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, but just a regular filter, right?
Yeah, it's just regular filters, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'll just I don't know what the stone goes in there.
Oh yeah, the freaking use your own coffee or whatever.
Yeah.
I think I have a metal reusable one. I'll just try that.
Yeah, that works too. Like you had a metal mesh one like that too.
Yeah. Cool. See if I can get home without breaking it.
Didn't hit much here.
No, yeah. All right, thank you. All right, so clearly not a ton of stuff. Now, if I'm gonna be completely honest, $20 for the Keurig is a great deal. You could sell it for like 90 bucks. I could probably flip it for probably $50 or $60 on Facebook Marketplace if I wanted to, but I'm gonna keep it for myself. We've been talking recently. Our coffee maker is, the one we have currently is a secondhand one. And I've been kind of thinking, I was on the fence whether I wanted to go back to a Keurig or buy a nicer coffee maker again or whatever. So 20 bucks for this one saves me probably a couple $100. Or, if I were to just go grab like a $50 cheapie at Walmart or something like that, either way, 20 bucks gets me either a pot of coffee or a Keurig, and I'll be happy. This one's in great condition as well. The disc golf discs, I don't know anything about them. When I'm filming this, I haven't looked them up yet, but I figured worst case scenario for 15 bucks, I could try to sell them local, throw them in the booth. But there might be one in there that's easily worth like 25 or 30 bucks all by itself. Like I said, I don't know a whole lot about them. And the Coke thing, the little bottle thing, I paid $2. I'll probably try to get about $10, maybe $8 to $10 in the antique booth. Now, these are the things that I picked up. And I picked up a lot of different stuff this week, but these are the things I want to share with you. So I've got two of them. Okay, it's a California Customs. I'll give you a better look. So this is what we're looking at, a California Customs Hot Wheel watch, and I've got two of them. When I seen them, I'm like, oh, these look like micro machines, and you can see there's a watch band and it's like Velcro or hook and loop, and it'll detach from there. Now, obviously, the batteries in these things wouldn't still work. You can see right here, they're from 1990 Mattel. Now, I don't really remember these from the 90s, but I talked to one of my buddies and he's like, oh yeah, I seen it. We always would buy these at like Byway. I don't know if Byway was a thing just in Ontario or if that was all across Canada, but Byway was basically just like a liquidation or discount store, similar to like Walmart before Walmart, I guess, but like just a weird place that had like all kinds of deals. It doesn't exist anymore that I know of anyway, but I got these two cars. They actually, the one had an Eaton's sticker on it originally. So Eaton's is another Canadian store, a big store. It is still around, but I think they're few and far between as well. I think Eaton's and the Hudson Bay Company are maybe the same company now. I'm not 100% sure on that either. But these guys, I'm gonna just throw a bunch of different, I'm just gonna scroll through some comps here on the screen. I'm gonna list them for about $45 each. And I think that's probably very on the conservative ends. And I think I'll probably get something like that, to be honest. I actually got these from Mike, the owner of the Antique Mall in Delhi. He had it was raining the one day that I went there, and he had a box full of stuff. And I was going through it, and he's like, yeah, is there anything that you find interesting? I set these aside because I thought they were cool. I'm like, well, I don't really know if I need any more stuff right now because I've got a lot of stuff that I haven't listed. I went and put my stuff away, and he came back and he's like, how about like, I think he wanted like $10 for the pair of them. I looked him up quick. I gave him $10 each. So I paid $10 for each car. I just paid up front because, you know, he would have been fine with just $10, I think, overall. But I'm like, I think I'm just going to do really good with these. They're honestly pretty cool. And some of the ones that you see that have sold, this plastic piece here, is like discolored and whatever. These are in really good shape. I could probably sell them together, would be another easy way to sell them. The other thing, which I don't physically have in my hands, but I'll throw it up on screen, it's this Goosebump safety scissors from the 90s as well. So they're just a pair of safety scissors, they're Goosebumps. The one that he has there look like vines that wrap around, but I'll throw up some comps for these safety scissors. I messaged him the other day, said, hey, actually the Goosebump scissors that were in that box too, they stuck out to me, but I didn't really think they were going to be worth anything. I looked them up after just out of curiosity, and they're worth quite a bit of money, up to $100 for some of these different pairs. So I'm going to grab those. I'll likely give him $10 for those as well. Very happy with it. You know, I think him and his wife went through all this stuff, and there was this, I think this was sort of just the leftovers, just stuff that they typically, I think, don't sell. But I think those are really great items. You know, I got other stuff at the bins this week and whatever, but these are really unique items that I wanted to share with you guys for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content, and we will see you soon.